Love in the wild is a dangerous game. To win a heart, you first have to survive the audition. Birds of paradise living in the tropical forests of New Guinea and Australia perform some of the most complex courtship dances in the animal kingdom. Males of species like the superb bird of paradise transform their feathers into geometric shapes. They raise their feather capes and spread them into oval or circular forms of deep black and electric blue. The dance is precise and controlled. It combines small jumps, turns, rhythmic movements, and subtle sounds. Every motion is carefully timed, creating a clean and hypnotic display. Young males learn the basics early and improve over time through practice and observation. These birds are shaped by sexual selection. In dense forests, where adult birds face fewer predators, males can invest energy into appearance and performance. Bright colors and precise movements signal health and genetic quality. This increases their chances of reproduction. Females choose the most accurate and consistent performers. Males do not take part in raising offspring, focusing only on perfecting their display.
Love in the ocean is built, not just shown. In the coastal waters of Japan lives the white-spotted pufferfish, Torquegenera albomaculosus. Males spend over a week creating precise geometric circles in the sand, nearly 2 meters wide. Using their fins, they form symmetrical ridges and valleys, shaping a perfectly balanced structure. At the center, they place small fragments of shells and coral, completing the pattern. These structures are not decoration, they are nests. Their shape controls water flow, directing oxygen-rich currents to the center, creating stable conditions for eggs. Every detail improves survival. This behavior is driven by sexual selection. In a competitive environment, a male that can build and maintain such a structure signals strength and genetic quality. The more precise the circle, the higher his chances. The female inspects the nest before laying eggs. The male then guards them for several days. After that, the structure is abandoned and he begins again.
Love in the ocean can take an unexpected form. Seahorses live in shallow tropical and subtropical waters, where their courtship is slow and synchronized. A pair spends time swimming side by side, changing color, linking tails, and repeating gentle, mirrored movements. This is not just a display, but a process that prepares them for reproduction. The male has a special brood pouch on his abdomen. During the final stage, the female transfers her eggs into this pouch. The male fertilizes them and carries the embryos for several weeks, protecting them as they develop. This role reversal is a survival strategy. In environments with high predation, the female can recover quickly, while the male controls the conditions for the offspring. Many species form stable pairs, reinforced by simple daily interactions that keep them synchronized. When the time comes, the male releases fully formed young, completing the cycle. Love in the insect world can turn deadly. Praying mantises are predators found across many regions of the world. During mating, the female may consume the male during or after copulation. This behavior, known as sexual cannibalism, does not always occur, but its frequency depends on food availability and environmental conditions. The male approaches with extreme caution, often choosing a well-fed female to reduce the risk. His movements are slow and deliberate, minimizing any sign of threat. In some cases, even after losing his head, the male continues mating as basic reproductive reflexes are controlled by nerve centers in the body. For the female, this behavior provides valuable nutrients that support egg development, especially when food is scarce. It can increase both the number and quality of offspring. For the male, the risk is balanced by the chance to successfully pass on his genes.
Over time, males have developed strategies to survive, including careful approach and selective behavior. Cannibalism is not required, but when it happens, it can increase overall reproductive success.
Love in the rainforest is a performance. The red-capped manakin lives in the tropical forests of Central and South America. Males gather in small display areas called leks, where each chooses a horizontal branch as a stage. The dance is fast and precise. The bird performs quick sideways slides along the branch, moving backward in a motion that resembles a moonwalk. At the same time, it produces sharp clicks and buzzing sounds with its wings. Movements are controlled and repeated with high accuracy. Males practice constantly, improving their timing and coordination. This behavior is driven by sexual selection. In dense forests, where visibility is low and competition is high, movement and sound help them stand out. Females choose the most skilled performer, as the dance signals strength and genetic quality. The best males gain most of the mating opportunities. They do not raise offspring, focusing only on performance. Life is a stage, and the audience is the future. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.